Hello guys, today we will be talking about fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is any number that is not whole, right? So for example, we have a circle. We consider a circle a whole number 1, right? So if we divide this circle by 2 segments, if we have to present this part of the circle, then we will say it's 1/2, which is half. And the same circle, if we cut it 4 times and want to present this portion, then it will be 1/4. 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. This one is 1 of 2 segments. So this is just one whole number. You can further divide this as many times as you like, the circle, right? But now there's so many things you can do with fractions. But most importantly, in this video, I want to show you how to add fractions, how to subtract fractions, how to multiply fractions, and also how to divide fractions, right? So we'll start by addition of fractions. So we start by adding fractions. I hope my handwriting is clear. Adding fractions. So if, for example, let's say you should add a over b plus c over d, right? Then you have to take, sorry, let me introduce you to the numerator and the denominator first. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. It's denominator, like that. Let's continue. Even this one is the numerator, this one is the denominator. The one you find on top is the numerator and the one at the bottom is always the denominator. So when you have to add fractions, you should make sure that both denominators are the same before the numerators can add, right? So how do we do this? You have to multiply the whole fraction by the denominator and also multiply the other fraction by the denominator, right? So we will have a multiplied by d over b multiplied by d plus c multiplied by b over d multiplied by b, which is equal to AD over BD plus CB over DB. So now the denominators are the same, right? Which is BD. You will only add the numerators, AD plus CB, right? So let's move to subtraction. So when you subtract fraction, it's almost the same as addition. Actually, it's the same thing. The only difference is the sign used. So if they say, for example, they give you a over b minus c over d, you apply the same rules you did. You multiply the whole fraction by this denominator and the other fraction by the denominator, right? Which will be a multiplied by d over b multiplied by d minus c multiplied by b over b multiplied by d, right? So you will get AD over BD minus CB over BD. Now the denominators are the same. We'll simply subtract the numerators. AD minus CB. Right? So let's move to now let's move to subtraction. Sorry, let's move to multiplication. Right? Multiplication. So now if you multiply A over B by C over D, in this case you just multiply them directly. So you will have A multiplied by C over B multiplied by D, which is equal to AC over BD. Very simple, right? And then we go to division of fractions, right? So if you have A over B divided by C over D, then you have to change now the denominator to be the numerator and then change the sign here to be multiply, which is A over B multiplied by D over C. And now when it's multiplied, you apply the same rules. You just multiply the numerator by the numerator, denominator by the denominator. And then you will have A D over BC. So that's it for me, from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos. So if you have any comments or questions that you'd like to direct to me, you can send me an email on this email address. Thank you so much. Bye.